how to add shape in CapCut PC. So if you want to add shape in your CapCut PC, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your CapCut application. After opening, you need to go with import and select anything that you're comfortable with. Once you're here, you need to just simply go with the text, which will be in the top left, and then go with default text and go with a plus. And once you're on the plus section here on the right side, you need to just remove your default text right here and then scroll down a bit and you'll find the color option. You need to go with color and select the color. Like for example, I'll just simply go and select red color, or you can just simply scroll down and you'll find an option of background. You need to just click on the background option. And from the background, you need to scroll down and go with color. And here you need to select the color. Once you've selected red color, you need to come back to the text section. And here you need to just simply press space. And then you will get this kind of interface. You need to just simply adjust the rectangle however you like, or you can also make it a square. And in this way, you'll be able to add shapes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.